We are really excited at Princess with our ongoing commitment towards conservation. It's been a mainstay for us as we have always chosen to communicate this with each installation at our international boat shows. This year we are once again focusing on marine conservation, and as a brand collaboration and as part of the ongoing commitment we have towards the Marine Conservation Society, we have endeavoured to embrace the art of a young artist by the name of Misael del Rosario, commissioned by the experiential agency Cul-de-sac. Misael has collected hundreds of discarded water bottles that have been repurposed with a wonderful design and symbolic message.